everybody, this is Vale from Echale Porras Productions, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to make a pumpkin bread cheesecake. Let's go over our ingredients. First, we're going to have 15 ounces of pumpkin puree, 2 eggs, 3/4 cups of vegetable oil, 1 cup of sugar, 2 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, and 1/8 teaspoon of ground cloves. So into a large bowl, we're going to be adding our pumpkin, our eggs, vanilla extract, sugar, and oil. So today I'm going to be using my stand mixer, but you can definitely just use a whisk as well. So we're just going to mix everything until combined. Mix, 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 mix. Always be sure to scrape down the sides just to make sure that everything is fully incorporated. Now we're going to add in our flour, our baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and all of our spices. Now we're just going to mix it until it's combined. Be sure not to overmix it. Mix, 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 mix. So here I have a 10-inch cake pan that I've just buttered a bit on the bottom and lined with a circle of parchment paper. Into the pan, we're just going to put in all our batter. Just be sure to level off your cake so it's all even. Now we're going to put this into a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 35 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Now we're going to be going over our ingredients for the pumpkin bread cheesecake. We have 24 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/8 of nutmeg, 1/8 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/8 teaspoon of ground ginger. So into our large mixing bowl, we're going to add our cream cheese, our sugar, spices, and vanilla extract. Now we're just going to mix this up. Now we're just going to pour our cheesecake mix on top of our cooled cake. Try to spread it out and get it as even as you can. Don't be scared if it goes above a little bit. Now we're going to just cover this with plastic wrap, and this goes into the fridge for at least 4 hours to chill, but overnight is preferable. And so we'll see you in the morning. So after letting our dessert sit in the fridge overnight, here it is. What do I do now? I'm practicing. Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, 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 ay. Kantay na chingue.
Yes, and I should be telling you. So now I'm just going to be decorating with some whipped cream and some cinnamon. Now let's cut into this.
I have the power of God and anime on my side.
Don't fuck with me. Now let's cut into this.
Oh yeah, 2 years.
Erica's been waiting 2 years for this, so here it is.
Let's try this out. Cause even though she did all the work, I'm gonna bite it first. That's just how it works. I've been cooking all day and this is the type of sugar I need to wake me up and give me a sugar rush that's gonna make me crash sleep. That's delicioso. One more. My director's telling me to hurry it up.
Cut.
But I don't want to. Oh, Vale's doing the outro this time.
Be sure to like and subscribe, share it with all your friends and family, and leave a comment down below what you want to see me make next.
And as always, stay safe, stay awesome, peace. Look at that. I ate all that in the time it took for her to do the outro, and I ate half of this shit. Peace.